Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with OptinMonster affiliate dashboard easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with the OptinMonster affiliate dashboard, start by visiting the OptinMonster website. Look for the login option in the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login option to be redirected to the login page. Enter your email address associated with your OptinMonster affiliate account. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you have forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once your credentials are entered, click on the Login button. Upon successful login, you will be directed to the affiliate dashboard. If you encounter any issues logging in, check your internet connection first. Make sure that your email and password are entered correctly. If the problem persists, consider clearing your browser cache and cookies. Alternatively, try accessing the dashboard using a different web browser. Once you are logged in, you can navigate through the dashboard easily. Explore sections such as reports, links, and promotional materials. Familiarize yourself with the features available to maximize your affiliate success. For additional support, refer to the site's help and FAQ sections. With these steps, you are now authenticated and ready to use the OptinMonster affiliate dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.